So this is the Samsung Moment, offered by Sprint. This particular model is in a testing phase, testing right now in the Baltimore and Washington areas. It comes equipped with digital television. It's got a DTV receiver chip built right into the handset itself, and with that chip along with this antenna, it allows you to broadcast local television channels over the air without any data service required. So if there's a dead zone that you're in, you may not be able to send or receive data or make or receive phone calls. As long as you get service from your TV towers, you can certainly still watch your television programs. It comes on the Samsung Moment, which I explained just a second ago, which is a Android-based device, Google-based operating system with a full slide-out QWERTY keyboard. Comes with a brilliant display AMOLED organic LED screen, which enables the end user to see more vivid pictures and experience a better streaming video experience altogether. The test market will be run through the first half of this year and will conclude shortly and be available for the consumer shortly thereafter.
Is there anything unique about the user interface of the TV software? How does that work?
The TV software is actually built straight into the handset, and it's just as if you went and bought yourself a brand new television and plugged it into your antenna on your rooftop. You'd be able to receive the same exact signal now that everything's switched to digital. Anything that's broadcast in the ATSC format, which is the new standard, will be able to be received on this handset, broadcast on this handset.
Can you go to the home screen and show me the application launch, the TV launcher?
I can't do commercials.
So it's just a little DTV?
Little DTV, and there's a little DTV icon up. That's what differentiates this handset from the current available Moment.
Does that tell you that there's a TV available at this moment?
It doesn't tell you, but once you touch on the icon itself, it takes a second to load. All of the current available channels will list for you.
Okay. And those are going to be local broadcast stations?
Local broadcast stations. Yes.
So the big ones, NBC, CBS, ABC, Fox.
Yeah. They're in talks with a couple other TV networks to broadcast some live local stuff as well, but those are just talks at this point.
How do you change channels?
There's 3 different ways to change the channel. You can either take your finger and swipe it straight up or down on the screen itself, and that'll change up and down one channel at a time. Once it switches to that channel, you can tap the screen and it'll bring up a channel guide here, or a channel up and down one at a time in the top left corner. If you go to the channel guide, it'll give you a small little picture-in-picture, and it'll give you a listing of all the local channels available, so you can skip more than one at a time there.
Excellent. Is there any sort of time-shifting software on here, or DVR capability?
There is certainly a DVR capability, but that service is not available as of yet due to some restrictions by the network television people. My best scenario is television you can get for free, but you have to pay for TiVo. So,
okay. Very good.
So that's still to be announced. The phone is certainly capable, but not able at this time due to some red tape.
Okay.
Change channel.